In this video, I will quickly show you how to edit a project hosted on Vercel. First, go to the Vercel website and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, go to the dashboard and select the project you want to edit. It is important to know that Vercel is not mainly used to edit code directly on the platform. Most changes are made in your project code using an editor, such as VS Code. Open the project on your computer, make the necessary changes, and save the files. After that, upload the changes to your GitHub repository using the git push command. Once the repository is updated, Vercel will automatically create a new deployment. After the deployment finishes, the updated version of your website will be live. You can also edit project settings in Vercel, such as environment variables or custom domains. Editing projects this way keeps your code organized and makes updates easier. And that's it. Now you know how to edit a project on Vercel easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.